In this video, I'll show you how to close an app on your MacBook Air M4. Okay, so let's get started. Let's say you have an app, no matter which one, this does not matter. Most people, what they will do is they will simply go on the top left corner, click the X, okay, the red X, and once it disappears, they think it's gone. Well, it's not closed, unfortunately. Over here, if you look down below on the bar, you're going to see the app that was previously open, it's Apple Music, and there is a black dot right under. Every time you see a black dot under an app, you see one here, you're going to see another one under the Notes app, it means that the app is open in the background. So it's still eating some memory. If you want to fully close the app, there's two different ways on how this is done. First of all, let's say I was on this app, I want to close it. You can go down below where it is, and you're gonna right click if you have a mouse connected to your laptop. If not, you're gonna click with two fingers on the trackpad. Okay, you're gonna get these options, and the last option should be quit. If you select quit, you see the black dot under the app disappeared. It means the app is fully closed. There's also another way on how you can close an app. Maybe it's easier for you. Let's say I have Safari over here open. I'm on the Apple website, and if I want to close this, go on the top left corner, and you see over here it says Safari. If you're in another app, it will say the name of the app. Okay, so this will change every time. Click on it and then select quit Safari or quit the other app that was open. Select this and the window will disappear and the app will also be closed at the same time. So maybe this is a quicker thing to do for you. So this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. Please leave a like, but also comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.